Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to another session of Qur'anic Arabic Recitation with Tajweed Rules. In this session, we will be studying next set of 9 syllables. That's from here to there. That's the next set of syllables. Okay. And this is just a reminder for transliteration purposes. So the first letter is Dad, and Dad fathatain don, and the alif next to it is silent. Dad fathatain don, Dad fathatain don, Dad kasratain din, Dad kasratain din, Dad dhammatain don, Dad dhammatain don, Don, din, don, Don, din, don. Next one is Ya. Ya fathatain yan, and alif next to it is silent. So we pronounce it as Ya fathatain yan, Ya fathatain yan, Ya kasratain yin, Ya kasratain yin, Ya dhammatain yun, Ya dhammatain yun, Yen, yin, yun, yen, yin, yun. So the next one is about Sheen. Sheen fathatain shan, and alif next to it is silent. Sheen fathatain shan, Sheen fathatain shan, Sheen kasratain shin, Sheen kasratain shin, Sheen dhammatain shun, Sheen dhammatain shun, Shan, shin, shun, Shan, shin, shun. And the next few slides would be sounds only without spellings. Don, din, don, Don, din, don. Yen, yin, yun, Yen, yin, yun. Shen, shin, shun, Shen, shin, shun. And this is the end of this session. We will practice those 9 syllables in next session 10 times without explanation, just to give you in practice. We will see you in next session inshallah. Until then, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.